Good afternoon, folks. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Fire TV stick from Amazon. So we're going to do a quick unboxing, and then I'm going to show you how to load Kodi onto it. Without further ado, let's have a look inside. Now, these were on sale in various websites and shops as part of Black Friday, so basically everybody that I know that doesn't have one's basically been getting one, and they're now asking me to put Kodi on it for them. So I thought we might as well make a quick video about it. So it's quite nicely packaged. Just take those two little pull strips off the side, and that releases the internal box. We can see all the various services we can get on this. There's all the good stuff. Dual core, dual band Wi-Fi, 1080p, high definition. Got all the good stuff inside, which we'll now have a look at. So another nice boxing inside. Again, the Fire TV stick branded on it. And on opening the box, again more branding, and we get our Fire TV stick itself, which is just looks like a little USB dongle, but obviously it's got the HDMI on there and a micro USB power connector. We've got the remote, 6 buttons: home, back, menu, left, right, play, pause, and this is just a standard D-pad, and you push the center to select. Quite a nice little remote actually. And inside further, we get a little bit of documentation showing us all the bits and pieces with limited warranty, and then the accessories. And I have to say, these are really good quality. We get a nice little HDMI extender cable, because of course if you've got your TV mounted flat against the wall or whatever, you may not have a socket on the side of the TV that you can plug it into the side. You might actually have to put it at the back, and you quite simply just plug this in here and then plug the HDMI into your TV, and it just gives that flexibility for different configurations depending on your TV. We obviously get I'll not take it out, well we will, a really nice quality micro USB cable. I don't know what length that is, but probably about a metre and a half. We get a nice Amazon branded 5-watt charger. Yep, so 5 volts at 1 amp. Really good quality. And we get a couple of Amazon Basics AAAs. So altogether, really nice package and high quality components with it, or accessories with it. Really nice quality. Of course, Amazon are selling these in the tens of thousands, if not millions or whatever now. Everything on here says Amazon, so they're going to be want to protect the brand and make sure they're pushing out a quality product, and they're certainly doing that with the equipment that they're sending out with this. That is part of this kit. Really good quality. Yeah, fantastic. So that's pretty much the kit. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to stop the video. I'm going to put my camera in a position where I can film my TV in the workshop. I don't have the facility just now to capture HDMI, so it is just going to be filmed, but I'll give you a flavour for how to do it, and obviously it should help you out, hopefully. So bear with me. Right, welcome to part 2. Now I've just installed the TV stick into my TV here in the workshop and just applied power to it, and the stick will start to boot. So we'll just press the play and pause button. I did have to reboot because it said there was insufficient power, so I've just rectified that. So initially it'll ask you to press and hold the home key, and that pairs the remote with the stick itself. Excuse me. So it's now going to scan for available networks, so we can actually get the thing online. And then so we'll just find our network in amongst these ones, and then we'll connect to it. So if you bear with me, I will pause and do that. Okay, so it's now connecting to the network. It should only take a few seconds, and hopefully that will be us online. Connection successful. Excellent. So as it says there on screen, it's going to check for any updates. These are brand new, so there's very little chance of this actually requiring any updates out of the box. But it's connected, checked with Amazon, and it's successfully registered on their system. Okay, now this is being purchased by somebody else for my friend, so I'm gonna have to change my change the account to my friend's account. So this is a bit weird. And what I'm going to do is I'll just put in their details into this now, and we'll load it up. Bear with me. Right, that's the actual owner's details just been put into the TV stick, and again it's just registering it on their account now, which is good. Okay, so there's Alan's details there, so yeah, continue as Alan. Check the network speed, and then it will show us hopefully, or it should show us hopefully, a little introduction video to the fireTV stick. It tells you all about it and what its capabilities are, etc.
Hello, and welcome to your new Amazon
There we
Fire
go.
TV
So we're just going to skip
We
this
want to make sure you get the most out of your new streaming media player. So
by
let's have a quick tour together.
pressing the back button, and hopefully it should skip that video. I'll just pause and make sure.
Okay, we've just
Right,
scratched the
unfortunately we
surface.
can't skip the video, so it's just come to an end now,
Or need more help, go to settings,
and then we'll
select help.
continue with the Kodi installation. Okay, right, so loading. Okay, we don't want to start a free trial. We don't want parental controls, and that should be us into the main menu now. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to settings, and we're going to go along to system, and once that loads up we're going to go all the way down to developer options, and we're going to turn both these options on, Hdmi debugging and apps from unknown sources. We're going to click OK, and that is us good. So we then press the home button, and then we're going to go to search, and then what we're going to search for is ES it should hopefully from that. So ES space E, and if we go to apps and games, we can see at the top left, or the left I should say, we've got ES File Explorer. So we're going to select that. Ah, app cannot be found. Right, that's a bit odd. Right, bear with me. Right, let's see if this works. So I've typed it out in full, ES Explorer, and we'll go down and then click on it. And it's popped up straight away. It still cannot be found, and that's really strange. Okay, again, I'm just going to do a bit more investigation and see why this isn't working. Sorry about this. Right, that was really, really weird. I just it basically wasn't. It kept saying file not found. So what I did was I powered down the stick, applied power again, went through the same process as I've already showed you, just by searching for ES space E or ES space Explorer, and now it's come up with it. So very, very strange. So we'll now just click get, and that's now going to process. And there we go. It's downloading. As you can see, downloads fairly quick, and then it will start to install. So I'll just do this in real time, show you how quick it does it. Now obviously the fireTV stick is quite a low power device, so it does take a little while to install, but no more than sort of 30 seconds, something like that. I think these sticks were down to about £20 in the Black Friday offer, so a really good little device. You know, great functionality, great services on there. Especially if you don't have a smart TV, it's an easy way to get online and get your sort of on-demand TV. Right, okay, so there we go. So that was just over 30 seconds, something like that. So now we'll select open. And it's now saying we're going to adjust our TV display. So we'll just do that using the up and down buttons as it says there. Okay, that should do us. And then accept that. And then it'll load up in just a second. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go all the way down to the bottom, and then we're going to select this new button. So we'll just select that. Let's just don't know why it went to that, but never mind. So select new, and we want, as it says there, a web address, and then we'll go down to path, and what we're going to type in here is http :// Kodi KODI .tv. Go to next. It doesn't by default select OK, so we're going to have to press right to make the OK a light grey, and press OK. Okay, and that's us on the Kodi website. So we now need to get onto here. So it does sometimes take a little bit of faffing around to actually get onto the browser window. But you'll know you're on it because it will start selecting things in an orange. Okay, so if I go up to downloads and then scroll down, now this, I've done quite a few of these, and sometimes it's quite annoying, but it doesn't always work. So we need to go to the Android icon in the download page, and we can see that Kodi version 16.1 Jarvis is the latest build, and we want the ARM build. This is what's going to work on the Fire TV stick. So yeah, I've done this a few times, and quite often when you click on this it doesn't actually work. So we'll try it. It doesn't appear to work. So what we now need to do is go down to the very bottom menu here. We can get it down. It sometimes helps if you go left back onto the menu here and then scroll along. And we want to go to more, and then we're going to open in browser. We're going to select Easy Downloader, or ES Downloader I should say, just once, and we can actually see the Kodi then starts downloading. Really strange. I don't know why it does that, but I'm just doing it. This is a real time to show you that that's how you have to do it. It's easier for me to show you in a video rather than to have to type and explain and answer questions on it. So yeah, select the three dots, view in browser, select ES Explorer, one time only, or just this once, whatever it said. So that's going to download. I see about 10 seconds remaining. Okay, and it should pop up. Again, it doesn't default to open file, it's going to open folder. So if we click right, open file, and then we're going to have to select install down the bottom right there. And it just comes up with a bit of information. Of course, we need it to do all that, so we'll click install. And that's Kodi installing. So again, I'll just let the camera roll, show it in real time. And that's it installed. So we can go straight away, click open. And it'll do its little bits and pieces at the first boot. And there we have it. That's Kodi installed on the Amazon fireTV stick. Now, I'm not going to go into a tutorial about how to use Kodi or how to put different builds, etc. on that. I don't really like that kind of thing on my channel. But yeah, that's it installed. Of course, you can do what you normally do with Kodi. If you want to install different different builds, you can just go in here, add a source, type in the URL of the source and go through the installation procedures. If you just want to search on YouTube for Kodi fireTV stick build installation, there is hundreds of videos that will show you how to do that. But yeah, that was just a hopefully fairly short video showing you how to install Kodi on the Amazon Fire TV stick. I hope you found it useful or helpful or interesting, or enjoyed it in some way. And if it helped you out, then brilliant. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just put them down in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care of yourselves, and all the best.